In this video, we'll take a look at how your customers can pay with Snap Finance using CFP in Shop-Ware. If Snap is your primary lender, you'll see it directly on the work order as seen here. Otherwise, your customers will get this option when they're declined from a primary lender. In the Pay Later box of the work order, click Next, followed by Apply in CFP. CFP will open up in a new browser tab. Snap requires the pre-qualification be filled out by the customer, not the service advisor, so click Text this page, add the customer's cell phone, and click Send. You'll see notification that the text was sent, and your customer can open the application by clicking the link in their text. Once open, they'll go through a quick verification, click through any disclosures, click Next, more disclosures, and click Continue. They'll want to confirm any pre-filled information and add in any missing information. Once the personal information has been added, they'll just add their income information and click Submit. The decision will come in real time, and once they see the congratulations message, the next stop is for the shop to add items, which they can do back in Shop-Ware. Once the work order has been loaded or reloaded, they can scroll to the bottom of the page and in the Pay Later box, click here. Click Add Item and fill in the product information. If there are multiple products, this process can be repeated by clicking Add Item. When done, click Save and move on to the shipping information. The shipping address can be the customer's address, or in the case that nothing is being shipped, it can be the shop's address as well. Once you see notification that the items have been added, your customer will receive another text where they can add banking information and then go through the signing process. At this point, the service advisor will not have to do anything until the very end of the process when the transaction should be finalized. Once your customer opens the link, they'll simply have to add their routing number and account number and submit. This will prompt Snap to send another text where they can go through the signing process. Like with the pre-qualification, the final approval will be real-time. Once they open that link, they'll first be brought to a summary where they can see the financing amount, their fees, and the total payments. They'll click Continue, set up their payments, and then be brought to their agreement where at the very bottom they can click to sign. Once they see the Thank You for Signing screen, the final step is back in the hands of the shop. On the work order, in the Pay Later box, if they click through, they can finalize the transaction, which will then post to the work order. A receipt for the transaction will open, and if you wish to see the payment on the work order, you can look at the payment log in the same place that you would see any other payment. And that's how your customers can use Snap Finance in Shop-Ware using 360 Payments CFP.